Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best air fryers in 2019. Now, finding the best air fryer may be confusing because there are so many options and you don't know which will be the best for you. So I made this list from personal opinion and hours of research, and I've included different options for every type of buyer. As always, all the links to the products mentioned in the video will be in the description box down below, and we update the links for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Okay, so let's get started. In 5th place, we have the GoWISE USA 3.7 Quart Air Fryer with 8 cook presets. This is our pick for the best budget air fryer. It is available at around $60. The 3.7 quart 1400 watt air fryer allows you to enjoy your favorite fried foods without the added calories. Rapid air circulation technology cooks food by circulating hot air in all directions, ensuring fast and even cooking. It comes with 8 presets to make cooking easier, which includes fries, chips, chicken, steak, shrimp, pork, cake, and fish. The digital screen lets you set a temperature range of 170 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and the fryer allows you to prepare a variety of dishes from crispy fries to juicy wings with little to no oil in 30 minutes or less. It includes a dishwasher-safe removable pan with a cool-to-touch hand grip and detachable basket, making the transition from the fryer to your place quick and easy. This air fryer is designed to automatically turn off when the basket is removed from the air fryer or after the timer is done. The fry basket tends to easily shed any grime or gunk, making it the easiest to clean of the bunch. It backs that convenience up with above average cooking performance and an easily understandable interface. Plus, it comes with a recipe book of 50 recipes. Some of the pros for this product include 8 cooking presets, simple to use, short cooking time, easy to clean, and affordable price. A con for this product is lack of temperature accuracy. However, this generally doesn't affect its cooking results. The GoWISE USA 3.7 Quart Air Fryer with 8 cook presets is a new, healthy, and easy way to fry food using rapid air circulation. The user-friendly interface lets you set the temperature to cook your favorite foods in a short amount of time. In 4th place, we have the OMORC 6-quart air fryer. This is our pick for the best value air fryer. It is priced at around $80. This 6-quart 1800 watt air fryer comes with a 2-year warranty and 8 to 15 presets, which makes cooking so much easier with chicken, steak, fish, fries, rib, shrimp, or cake. The rapid hot air circulation technology allows you to use 85% less fat to get the same taste and texture as deep fried foods. In addition to that, you can also use it for dehydrating foods with the help of the user manual. Its one knob and touch control feature makes controlling this air fryer easy. You just rotate the multifunctional knob for the settings, then press to start. The stainless steel parts makes it 100% safe and toxin-free. There's an auto shut-off feature when the timer goes off to add to the safety of this appliance and ensure the fryer doesn't overheat. It's also dishwasher safe, and the non-stick fry basket and pot are easy to clean, as well as the 6-quart size is ideal for a family of 5 to 8 people. The large-sized basket can hold a whole chicken with veggies around. It even comes with a free detailed recipe book that can give you some great ideas for a good family meal. Some of the pros for this product include healthy, user-friendly, easy to clean, safety features, and big serving size. A con for this product is the manual could be more detailed. However, with its one knob and touch control, it is still very simple to use. The OMORC 6-quart air fryer can make delicious and crispy fried foods while reducing 85% oil. It makes cooking easier and faster for at least 2 to 8 people with its user-friendly features and big design. In 3rd place, we have the COSORI 5.8 Quart Air Fryer. This is our pick for the best mid-range air fryer. It is available at around $100. This 5.8 quart 1700 watt air fryer uses 360 degrees air circulation technology to cut down 85% of fat content in cooking compared to traditional frying, and it also shortens preheating and cooking times. It can cook family-friendly foods faster with little to zero oil and serves 3 to 5 people, perfect for a family. It comes with one-touch selection and 11 presets to make cooking easier with steak, chicken, seafood, shrimp, bacon, frozen foods, fries, vegetables, root vegetables, bread, and desserts. The temperature can also be adjusted between 170 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and time can be adjusted between 1 to 60 minutes. The air fryer has a removable non-stick basket that is easy to clean and dishwasher safe, so you're not spending too much time on after-dinner cleanup. The included recipe book provides 100 different recipes to get you started, and you can also share recipes and ideas through the online community. This model has various user-friendly features like an LCD touch panel with presets, fast preheating, keep warm, auto shutoff memory function, Fahrenheit to Celsius unit switching, and a shake reminder to help you get an even fry. Some of the pros for this product include large serving size, 11 presets, easy to clean, user-friendly features, and 100 recipe book. A con for this product is not all presets have shake reminder. However, it still has so many intuitive features. The COSORI 5.8 Quart Air Fryer produces food with 85% less fat than a deep fryer, and its highly effective air circulation evenly cooks food while keeping textures crisp. With the addition of 11 presets and one-touch selections, it makes cooking easy. In second place, we have the Philips TurboStar HD 9641/96. This is our pick for the best high-end air fryer. It is priced at around $200. This 2.75 quart air fryer can hold up to 1.8 pounds of food and serve up to 4 people. It has a quick control dial with a digital display so you can set the right temperatures and time. It even comes with 4 presets for popular dishes so you can cook frozen fries, meat, fish, and drumsticks all in one click. The air fryer is ready to use immediately with no preheating required, and it generates fast superheated air to fry your food with little to no added oil along with less smell than conventional fryers. It cooks fried foods 50% more evenly than other brands. The TurboStar technology swirls hot air continuously through the whole cooking chamber for even heat distribution. In addition, powerful direct heat from above makes the food crispy on the outside and tender on the inside. It has a keep warm function for up to 30 minutes to ensure a flexible serving time, as well as its quick clean basket includes a removable non-stick mesh that makes cleaning easier and faster. Plus, the air fryer also comes with a recipe book and app that includes over 200 recipes to choose from. Some of the pros for this product include user-friendly, no preheating, keep warm function, and great cooking performance. A con for this product is the price compared to other air fryers. However, this appliance has one of the best cooking performances in terms of cooking food evenly and thoroughly. The Philips TurboStar HD 9641/96 is not only easy to use with its intuitive interface, but it also cooks fried food 50% more evenly and has 4 presets for your most popular dishes. And coming in first place, we have the Ninja Air Fryer AF101. This is our pick for the best overall air fryer. It is available at around $120. It air fries food with little to no oil and up to 75% less fat than traditional frying methods. The appliance comes with a 4-quart ceramic coated non-stick basket and crisper place that can fit 2 pounds of fries, which is great for family meals. It also has a one-touch control panel so you can manually control cook time and temperature, or you can choose 4 programmable cooking functions which include air fry, roast, reheat, and dehydrate. The air fryer produces a pleasant crispy texture more frequently than other models. It can also dehydrate foods for snacks with a combination of low fan speed and low temperature. With its wide temperature range of 105 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, you can remove moisture from foods or quickly cook and crisp food with convection heat. It actually has one of the best temperature accuracies compared to other air fryers, as well as the basket, crisper plate, and multi-layer rack are all dishwasher safe. Some of the pros for this product include good cooking performance, accurate temperature, big serving size, and 4 programmable functions. A con for this product is the basket accumulates more food bits than most. However, this offers the best cooking experience in spite of the cleaning process. The Ninja Air Fryer AF101 is a fast, easy, and healthy way to cook your favorite fried foods. In addition to air frying, this cooker can also roast, reheat, and dehydrate foods. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, see you guys later.